Furoomate Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box. Self-cleaning, 11L high-capacity open-top pet toilet for multiple cats. Tired of scooping your cat's litter box daily? Meet the Furoomate Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box, a next-generation, self-cleaning litter solution designed for multi-cat households. With its open-top design, 11L waste capacity, and advanced safety sensors, this litter box makes cat care cleaner, easier, and smarter. Glowing star key features and benefits. Toilet open-top design for comfort and accessibility. Unlike enclosed or drum-style litter boxes, Furoomate's open-top layout gives your cat plenty of space to move naturally, encouraging regular use and reducing anxiety, especially for larger or nervous cats. Cat face ideal for multiple cats. The extra-large 11L waste bin can handle waste from up to 3 cats for over 5 days. Perfect for busy owners or multi-cat homes. Less maintenance, more peace of mind. Soap Smart Self-Cleaning System. Furoomate uses a touch-free automatic cleaning mechanism that detects waste, removes clumps, and evenly levels the litter after each use. Your cat always returns to a clean, fresh tray. Sponge effortless to clean. With its smooth silicone surfaces and thoughtful layout, there are no hard-to-reach corners. Just wipe down and empty the waste drawer, no scrubbing or digging required. Shield full-spectrum safety features. Equipped with 4 weight sensors, 2 infrared detectors, and overcurrent protection, the system automatically pauses when your cat is nearby. Your pet's safety is always the top priority. Speech balloon worry-free support and warranty. Enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year comprehensive warranty. Have questions? Furoomate's dedicated customer care team is ready to help.